Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the chai token limit reached error. Alright, let's begin. First, the issue may be related to regional limits. In some countries, token or message limits may be more restrictive. If that's the case, try using a VPN and connect to a different region, then reopen the Chai app and check if the error is resolved. If that doesn't work, refresh your session by completely closing and reopening the app. Temporary bugs can sometimes prevent your available tokens from updating correctly. You can also clear the app's cache. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Chai, and tap Force Stop. If you're using an iPhone, close the app completely and restart your device. If the issue continues, reinstalling the app can also help refresh its data. If you've already used your free daily tokens, you may simply need to wait until they reset. So that's basically how you can fix the Chai token limit reached error. That's it for this video. Thanks.